Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide activity on Duolingo. Sometimes you want to learn quietly without your followers seeing every lessons, streaks, updates, or achievements on Duolingo. So in order to hide your activity or make your profile private, first of all, launch open your Duolingo application on your smartphone or tablet, and from the home page after logging in, go to the lower right section and tap on the three dots. Now in the expanded pop-up menu, click Profile. Inside your Profile section, go to the top right corner and tap the gear button. Now this will open up the Settings menu. From the Settings menu, click on Privacy Settings. Now, right next to Share Activity with Anyone, toggle off the button. Right after you do that, you will be able to disable your activity or hide your activity on Duolingo. So there you have it, that is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.